Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Brevo for affiliate autoresponder setup, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize Brevo for your affiliate autoresponder setup, begin by navigating to the Brevo website. Log into your Brevo account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the API section in the dashboard. Click on the Account Settings option. In the Settings menu, find and select API Keys. Here, you will see an option to create a new API key. Click on Create a new API key. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to name your new API key. Enter a descriptive name that relates to your affiliate autoresponder setup. After naming your API key, click Generate. Your new API key will now be displayed. Be sure to copy this key, as you will need it for the autoresponder integration. Next, switch to your affiliate program's dashboard. Access the Integrations or Settings section of your affiliate autoresponder tool. Look for the option to add a new integration or input an API key. Paste the previously copied Brevo API key into the designated field. Follow any additional prompts to complete the integration process. Make sure to save your changes within the autoresponder settings. To confirm that the integration is successful, test the connection if prompted. You can now set up your email campaigns using your Brevo account effectively. This completes the authorization process for Brevo in your affiliate autoresponder setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.